go back to the year 1999. What were you doing? Were you in school? Were you even born yet? I was in school, night school, while I worked a daytime job. I wanted to get my A+ and my N+ certifications. I remember the Matrix movie came out that year, and Volkswagen revived their famous Beetle. And the two big PC games were Unreal Tournament and System Shock 2. Now, if you had a PC like this in 1999, what type of modifications would you do to it? So while you think about all those things, let me know in the comments. And we're gonna head over to PC Doodle in South Minneapolis, Minnesota. This is Derek's shop, and he's the one who revived this PC from '99.
Work on Sundays.
Hey Derek, how's it going? Good.
Welcome to PC Doodle. Today we're going to be looking at stuff that was saved from the scrapyard. So what we've done so far is we've completely populated the front panel. We got a cassette deck. We have a graphic equalizer that does digital signal processing. Essentially, it's actually making your audio jerkier than it should be, but it's always fun to toy around with this stuff. DVD burner, CD burner, Zip 250 drive, and this was actually built by a local company called Tran Micro way back in 2000, and then eventually the customer wanted the data recovered off of it and it came here. So what Bill and I are going to be doing are working on some case mods. We got a Pentium III processor. This is PC 100 RAM. We got a total of 768 megabytes in there. One really cool feature about the motherboard in here is that it has a Yamaha XG chip, which you can see down there. That's quite a large chip for the time period that this was released. And what's interesting about it is that it has MIDI capabilities, very similar to what you'd find in a high-end Roland, any high-end MIDI device of that period. So we're gonna load up a track here, and we're gonna hit play. Actually dropped off for scrap. This is a VooDoo 5500. It did have a bad fan on it. We were able to source a identical fan. Unfortunately, it had a different style connector, so we just used some shrink tube on there to get that one back up and going. So we first started building this computer on a weekend, and I had to send a video over to Bill, and of course the cable management was extremely poor. And Bill was kind enough to share with me an old trick called Cablegami, and of course I couldn't help myself from going out and doing it before Bill even showed me the secret ways, and this is what we ended up with, just a kind of a clean cable management system so you can appreciate all the components that are in the PC. And let me give you a quick little demonstration on how you would do something like that here. So we got two IDE CD-ROMs. I'm going to insert the IDE cable here. And then the goal is to get this folded so you have just enough slack to get it into the second connector for the CD-ROM that goes above. And then after that, depending on your case, you'll start adding some folds to get this where you need to get it hidden. Something like that.
What did you want to put for logos on the bottom?
We're going to be doing Windows 98, Intel Pentium III, 3DFX, which I don't have a sample. We've played around with a few different settings on the laser cutter just to get different depths into it and see how the light will refract inside of it.
Oh, what's this? Need for Speed. Dude, is this your game? You still playing this?
You betcha.
Are you?
Every now and then.
I haven't played this in years.
Excellent music.
Are you good at it?
Okay.
All right, well, do you want a challenge?
Sure.
See who can have the best lap?
Or a case of beer.
All right, sounds good. So in my next video, we're gonna mod this side panel as if it was 1999 with a custom window. I'll show you all the steps involved. Then we're gonna go back to Derek's shop and see what modifications he's got finished and ready to install. So if you're new to my videos and my channel, please hit the subscription button and the bell so you're notified when that video is out, because we got more videos coming out after that one as well. Thanks everybody for watching. Also check out my store at mnpctech.com. I make a wide variety of custom accessories and mods for your custom PC builds.